This is an Amber Alert for a child abduction. The Virginia Beach Police Department is searching for Zuri Dorsey. Zuri Dorsey is a 2-year-old black female, approximately 2 feet tall, weighing 30 pounds. She has brown hair and brown eyes. Zuri Dorsey was last seen wearing pink and white striped pajamas, although she may have been changed into green and white Christmas-themed zip-up footed pajamas. The abductor, DeAndre Dorsey, is described as a black male, black hair, brown eyes, last seen wearing a black hooded sweatshirt and black jogger-style pants. They were last seen traveling southbound from Virginia Beach in a red 2016 Honda Accord, North Carolina registration RAZ9972. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call Virginia Beach Police Department at 757-385-4401 or call 911 or Star HP. This is an Amber Alert message. Seven 385-4401 or call 911 or Star HP. This is an Amber Alert message. Or call 911 or Star HP. This is an Amber Alert message. Message.